Hi guys, welcome to the video, and in this video I will be going to show you guys that how we can upload bulk products in WooCommerce website. Basically, I'm going to show you that how we can export the products from a website, and again how we can import that. So it's like an easy process that is like built into that is provided by the WooCommerce, but I will show you the complications of it. And for example, if you are importing them from some other platform. For example, it's for example, if it's Shopify or if it's Magento or something else, I will show you how to create a CSV file for that, so that you can upload it, import it basically on your WooCommerce website easily. So, for example, I have a website over here just for the reference, and it does have these products. I guess these are ten products. Let me just show you. Over here, where you can see we have I guess 12 products. So the very first thing that, if for example, if you are exporting the CSV, exporting the products from one WooCommerce website to another, what you need to do is over here on the products, all products page, you need to click on this export, and over here you need to click on this export custom meta. You need to just need to check this one, and all of other options are okay. Just click on this generate CSV file. Once you have exported the CSV file, I want you to open it up. For example, if you are exporting the products from Shopify and you are gonna import them on the WooCommerce website, I want you to have a detailed look on this CSV file, just in case that if you are moving the products from the Shopify, you will most probably need to create this CSV file on your own. So basically, when you open this file, you can just see the all the details in it. You can see that it requires ID type, whether it's a single product, whether it's a variable product, whether it's a downloadable product, what is the SKU, what is the name, is it published or not. For one, one is stands for true. That means it is published. If we have zero over here, that means it is false, and it is not published yet. It is maybe in the draft or something of that sort. So basically, just to give you an overview, that in case you are not exporting from WooCommerce and exporting to WooCommerce, I would highly recommend you to export this CSV file, and give it a detailed look, like how you're gonna create your own CSV file, just in case if you are migrating your products from another platform. So when you're done creating the CSV file in the same exact format like this, because WooCommerce requires this specific format. Once you have done that, you can just hop back over to the products. Let me just clear these products. I guess let me just remove all these products to trash. As you can see that I do not have any product over here. Now what you can do is you can click on this import button. Over here you can just give it that specific CSV file that you have created for to import your products. And if you want to like update the existing product, you can check this uh, and click on continue. Give it a second. It might take some time depending upon the how much the size of your CSV file is. So basically over here, what just to make sure that you understand what is basically going on. If for that specific case that I was talking about, that if you are doing it, if you are migrating the product from some other platform, you just need to map the fields. For example, over here in the WooCommerce, we have an ID to like get the ID. Like basically, it is a unique ID. Basically, what I want you to understand is like it's asking for the mapping. Basically, it's a simple mapping that. For this column, which column in the CSV file you want to map to. So you just need to click on the ID over here. Type you will be able to see all the details that the WooCommerce gives you, and you can just map all these columns coming from the CSV file. You can see the columns over here: ID, type, SKU, name, published, is featured. All these details are coming over here on the left, and on the right is basically a drop down generated by the WooCommerce, and basically it's like mapping the columns. And once you're done mapping the columns, you can just scroll all the way down and click on Run Importer. Once you click on that Run Importer, it will like match all those columns. For example, ID to ID, name to name, and then in that sense, it will import all the products that you have in that CSV file. You can say imported completed, and import completed 16 products imported. And over here, you can see these are the products, and you can also see that we have images imported over here as well. If you're curious how that images thing is working, you can just click on this, open this CSV file, and you can just scroll all the way right, and over here you will see a column that is named as images. Over here you can see it is WooCommerce is expecting an absolute path to the image, and if you are having maybe let's say more than one image, you can just place a comma over here, and you can just give it another absolute path for the second image, and it will WooCommerce will import those images accordingly. So I guess everything that is related to WooCommerce import and export of products is now I've explained all that, and I hope you understood all the process, and I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.